comb my hair, but when they did, like my hair had turned into just this giant, matted, clenched mess. And it was not letting go for anything. They could not get a single comb through it. Great. And it looked really stupid. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leila, and today on this episode of Diary of a Wavy Girl, I'm actually going to delve into a hair horror story of mine. Okay, now all over the media lately I've been seeing that perms are back in style and it is going to be the thing to do this year. And so in honor of that spirit, I'm going to tell you all about something that happened to me one time when I was visiting the Philippines. So I went to the Philippines many years ago, over 10 years ago now, and I went to their mega mall. It is a massive, huge mall there. Ice skating rink in the center, I believe, but it's just stories and stories and stories high. And while I was there, there was a center there that was doing hair straightening treatments. And I was looking around at all these gorgeous Filipino women with their long, healthy, straight hair, and it just looked so beautiful. And I thought, you know, I want to look like that too. And so I went into the salon and I told them that I wanted my hair straightened. And so they sat me in the chair and they put all those chemicals and everything in my hair, and then they pulled my hair and pulled it and stretched it like taffy or something. I mean, they just kept pulling and stretching at my hair. And it was not the most pleasant experience of my life, I'll tell you that. You know, and the chemicals didn't smell that great. So anyway, but I was there and my hair was just slightly shorter than it is now. I can't really remember how long it was at the time, but anyway, by the time they were done, my hair was just saturated in their chemicals and formula. And then they rinsed my hair out and put conditioner in it and then went to comb my hair. But when they did, like my hair had turned into just this giant, matted, clenched mess. And it was not letting go for anything. They could not get a single comb through it. It was so clenched. And so they applied more conditioner to my hair, rubbed it in really well, rinsed it out, and then tried to brush my hair again. And again, my hair clenched. My hair was so ticked off. It just would not give. And they put, oh my gosh, I cannot remember how much conditioner they put in or how many times they applied it, but it was probably, I'm going to say it was at least 5 times or more. And they were just like dousing my hair in as much conditioner as possible. I mean, my hair was very slimy with it, and they still could not get a comb through it at all. In the end, they actually had to blow dry my hair out first. And when they did, my hair completely released and relaxed and fell completely straight. And so at that time they told me, do not brush your hair when it's wet, it won't work. And so while I had that perm in, I had to blow dry my hair just to get it to relax and release so that I could actually get a hairbrush through it. It was really strange. And anyway, so I did that and I really liked the straightness of it. However, the thing I didn't take into consideration is that with wavy hair, when it grows back in, you got some body to it. So I had like straight hair, but as my hair started growing in, it was like boop, boop, straight. You know, just like this little and then straight, just these little bits of body and then straight. And it looked really stupid. And so because of that, I then had to take a hair straightener and straighten the roots of my hair just so that it matched the rest. So I was damaging the roots, and the rest of my hair was completely done for because, I mean, it was just so ticked off at me. And so anyway, that is not something I would do again. I think people with straight hair, it's gorgeous. However, I think everybody needs to be able to accept the kind of hair that they're given, whether it's slightly wavy or beach waves like I've got, or whether it's massively wavy, or whether you've got curls. And I know there's so many different types of curly hair out there, and all of them require specific types of maintenance. And, you know, I know it's fun to do different things with your hair, and I'm not saying there's anything against that, but I am saying learn to accept that the hair that you were given and love what it does. If it's crazy, hey, enjoy it. And if it's just straight, enjoy it. Please do not go out and damage your hair and put harmful chemicals in just to try to look like somebody else, okay? Lesson learned. Maybe other people's hair don't respond the way mine did, but oh my gosh, my hair was ticked. So anyway, that is my story about my hair straightening perm in the Philippines. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to enjoy more upcoming videos soon. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. Bye-bye.